Food combining is a philosophy of eating that has ancient roots but has become extremely popular in the recent past. Nutritionists say that strategically combining certain foods can help you absorb vitamins and minerals more efficiently, and also boost the effectiveness of antioxidants. In this video we are showing you the 5 food combinations that will supercharge your diet. 1. Vitamin C and plant-based iron. To best absorb plant-based iron, you need to give it a little boost by pairing it with a source of vitamin C. The vitamin C helps break the iron down into a form that the body can absorb more easily. You can squeeze lemon to a spinach salad to get this combination. 2. Tomato and avocado. Tomato contain an incredible disease-fighting antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene can help to prevent prostate cancer at early stage. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, and when tomato and avocados are eaten together, the fats of avocado makes the absorption of antioxidants in tomato more efficient. 3. Vitamin D and calcium. Calcium is necessary for many normal functions of your body, especially bone formation and maintenance. Vitamin D is important for the absorption of calcium from the stomach and for the functioning of calcium in the body. Calcium and vitamin D combination is used to prevent or to treat a calcium deficiency. To get this combination, eat fortified foods like milk and non-dairy beverages such as soy milk and orange juice, and eat a variety of calcium-providing foods, including collard greens, broccoli and dried figs. 4. Complementary protein. Only some foods contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. The complete protein sources are often animal products like meat, poultry, fish, dairy and eggs. Plant-based complete protein foods include soy products and quinoa. Other protein sources like nuts, legumes, grains, and vegetables are incomplete, which means they lack one or more essential amino acids needed for growth and development. But you can create a complete protein source by pairing incomplete proteins together. For example, pair rice with beans or wheat bread with peanut butter. And don't worry if you're not pairing foods at every meal, just aim to get a variety of proteins throughout the day, and you'll get good amounts of each amino acid. 5. Fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Our intestine absorbs certain vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, when they're paired with a fat source. Getting enough of these vitamins is important, because deficiencies can lead to risk of cancer and type 2 diabetes. Foods like nuts, seeds, avocado and olive oil are good sources of unsaturated fats. All vegetables are packed with different vitamins and minerals, so try to include variety of them in your diet. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some other videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.